When cough and cold arrives, we quickly start taking all kinds of syrups. But this time, keep these homemade cough toffees ready. They help with cold and cough so easily. Chop some jaggery and extract fresh ginger juice. Mix the jaggery into the ginger juice, then add black salt, black pepper, and turmeric. Cook it on low heat until the jaggery turns crisp when dropped into water. And yes, add half a spoon of ghee while cooking. It gives the mixture a smooth shine. Make small lollipops from the mixture and store them. After few hours, your homemade cough toffees is ready. And don't forget to follow.